Downtime interrupts production, wastes available labor, reduces capacity, and can place customer orders and plant schedules at risk. A major breakdown receives immediate attention, but recurring short stops can quietly become part of the plant's normal routine. Most plants record downtime, but broad reason codes, inconsistent terminology, and unstructured operator notes can hide important patterns. AI agents can help teams move beyond event logging by organizing downtime records and detecting repeated losses earlier. A dashboard may show 100 lost minutes, but it may not explain how or why that loss occurred. Those minutes could come from one major failure, several short stops, material problems, process instability, or inconsistent event coding. A supervisor can begin by asking which downtime events repeated this week across different lines, assets, shifts, and products. The agent can also identify when terms such as feed issue, material stuck, and in-feed jam may describe one problem. The original notes should remain available so the human team can examine the evidence and confirm whether the grouping is valid. Teams can then investigate what happened before each stoppage, including maintenance work, alarms, material changes, or process drift. Schedule changes, environmental conditions, and earlier quality signals may also help explain why the repeated pattern is occurring. Downtime affects more than uptime. It can reduce yield, increase scrap, delay orders, create overtime, and disrupt downstream operations. When the evidence suggests an asset issue, the agent can prepare maintenance history, fault patterns, work orders, and inspection recommendations. Repeat, high-impact, or cross-functional patterns may require root cause analysis, supported by an organized evidence package for human review. Consider a line with 5 weekly stoppages lasting 20 minutes each. Together, those events create 100 minutes of downtime. If the pattern is recognized after the second event, the team may have an opportunity to prevent 60 additional minutes. A useful performance measure is repeat downtime avoided, tracking whether recurring events were identified, assigned, reviewed, and reduced. Teams should also measure how quickly a detected pattern reaches the supervisor or maintenance lead responsible for reviewing it. By highlighting unclear notes and inconsistent reason codes, AI agents can also improve the quality of future downtime analysis. AI cannot predict every stoppage, but it can expose recurring losses earlier, accelerate response, and support more informed human decisions. Downtime reduction addresses production loss, while predictive maintenance addresses asset risk. Connecting both provides a more complete operational view. Read AI agents for downtime reduction through the link in the description or request a demo to explore the approach.